Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you record video on iPhone. So guys, to record video on iPhone, at first just go to your camera. Now after going to your camera, here you can see it is now on photo mode. If you just swipe it like this, it will be on video mode like here. You can just change the camera by clicking the 0.5 zoom, clicking this 2 zoom, and here you can see in the top right there are two options, 4K and 60. In my case, you can just change the resolution to 4K to HD like this, or you can just change the FPS to 24, 30, 60. It depends on your device. Now after that, just click on this red icon, which means it will start recording video like this. You can zoom, zoom in, zoom out, and after the recording has done, just click on this icon, and by clicking this icon you can just record a video. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.